What's up, guys? Today we are going to look at the left join. The left join returns all rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. If there is no match, the right side will return none. For example, we have our two tables here. The employee demographics table, which has the employee ID, first name, last name, age, gender, and birth date. And also our employee salary table, which when you run it, we see we have the employee ID, first name, last name, occupation, and salary. Now, as you have noticed, the common column between these two tables is the employee ID column. So when it comes to the left join, we must just follow an almost similar process like what we did with the inner join. So we select everything from the employee demographics table. This is this employee demographic table is our left table. From then, so we do left join the employee salary table, right? Now, in our previous video, we covered something called aliasing, and we said how it's important in making it easier for us to write our query. So I'm going to alias the employee demographics table as dem. I can either do this as dem, or I can just write dem here, and it will automatically be aliased as dem. Then our employee salary table as sal. Now on, we specify the common column between these two tables, which is the employee ID column as we looked before. So on the employee ID column from the employee demographics table, that is dem employee ID, which is equals to the employee ID column on the employee salary table, that is sal.employee ID employee ID, right? Let's close that up and try to run and see the outcome. Now that's how the left join works. As you can see, if when you see this null here, it just means that there's no match. There's no match, and the right side will return null as you have seen here. So that's it for the left join. Tomorrow we'll cover the right join. Bye bye.